Hey guys, I'm back again. A question that I wanted to answer today for everyone that seems to be a popular question is, what chemical are we using to strip wheels? The answer to that is GreenSolv. They're based out of Canada. It works very efficient and we have very good results with it. Strips the wheels in about 120 minutes and it has to be heated to about 185 degrees. So in the next couple clips, you'll see the process from the wheel coming out and us rinsing it and how there's nothing left on it at all, and then we could blast it very quickly as well. So we hope you enjoy the quick video. Alright, in this video you'll see that the wheel's obviously steaming due to the temperature. We'll give it a quick rinse, get the residue off, and it actually ends up drying itself pretty much. And you'll see here there's nothing left on it at all. And we give it a quick blast and it ends up looking like this. All ready for some fresh powder. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. If you're local, feel free to come by and grab a hat or a shirt. You could just check out some of our work on display here in our showroom.